What's up YouTube, it's Jake, not your average tech dad, and I got the #1 question I keep getting about this Blackstone 36-inch griddle I got from Walmart, and it's how did I get these side shelves on? So I'm going to go ahead and head out to the grill and take a quick video and show you how I install them and kind of the process overview. But basically, there's 4 identical brackets, and once you get the orientation right, they all go on perfectly, and then you bolt on the shelf and you're good to go. So let's head out to the grill and yeah, go from there. Okay, so we're out here next to my Blackstone griddle, and I'm gonna go over here and look right at the shelf. Basically, this is what people have been asking about, is how to get these brackets on. And so if you look right here, this bracket right here goes on like that. The 2 screw holes line up, and then they just pop right on. You center the 1 screw on top. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, you center the 1 screw on top, put the 2 screws on the bottom, and then when you hang the shelves, I put the bottom screw in first, and then basically just screwed these on and let it hang like that. Nothing too crazy on this side. And then basically it's identical on this side. Just make sure that 1 hole lines up on the inside. Same with that one. Hang the shelf, pop it on. Good to go. Alright, so that's pretty easy. Basically 8 bolts to put on the brackets and another 4 to put on each shelf. So another 8 total, so 16 screws. As long as you got the correct brackets in the kit, it should be easy breezy. Simple job to do. I'm gonna ask you guys to please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Any help would be much appreciated. I want to keep growing my channel and making more videos. So thanks for watching this. Peace.